Hey guys, Pixel here, and today we're reviewing the Storm Hammer. Yes, the most overpowered weapon in Pixel Gun. So the lethality is 27, the attack is 81, the mobility is 120, and they actually nerfed the weapon because I think Realisoft found out like how fast you can attack with the weapon. So pretty much when you attack now, it's pretty much, instead of just like slam, 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 now it's more like hand goes up, slam, hand goes up, slam. Like you have to wait till your hand goes up and then your character like slams the hammer. Like, I'll show you guys in a sec. I'm just letting Pixel Game load here. Oh, dang it. About that rooting one, because I just saw it. Alright, so let's go ahead and smack this. And smack this again. I'm on red team. We're winning. We're winning. Red team is best. Best color in the world. Like, I'm gonna go up to that guy right here. This guy has no chance of survival at all. No chance of survival. No chance of survival. No, she left. No chance of survival. No chance of survival. No chance of survival. Whenever you see a guy with a hammer just coming towards you, you make sure that because you have no chance of survival. No chance of survival. No chance of survival. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, that guy has a hanger rifle. Whoopee! 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 So let's go back up here. And, let's wreck some noobs. Some nooblets. Yes! So red team wins. I'm gonna join blue team because looks like blue team might need some help with the hammer. Like smack, smack. Yeah. Alright, so seems like a fair fight. It's dangerous to go alone. So don't go alone. It's dangerous. So don't go. It's dangerous. Dangerous. It's dangerous. Very dangerous. You see, you can't even aim you don't even have to aim. It's like, look at this. It's dangerous to go alone. It's very, very dangerous to go alone. So dangerous, so don't. Because I heard it. It's dangerous to go alone. I think that guy got out. And yeah. It's dangerous. Very. Oh, I see that guy. I see you. Dang it. Really, bro? You have no chance of survival. You're all gonna die. Yay, I don't know why my grenade button's so freaking big. It's like humongous. I don't know why. Just is. Oh. It's dangerous to go alone. So don't. It's like, I will kill you all. You see this moves. My gosh, you don't. It's like this hammer was added with Thor's hammer. And it's like whenever you throw it, I just imagine if you could throw this. Like if you were able to throw it, it's like goes flying and it just comes back at you. That's the OX back code, just for you guys that didn't know. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and go kill some more people. Don't. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh, I actually got someone. So I'm gonna go ahead. Ow! Let me go ahead and whack somebody. I want to whack somebody across the face. And then just get shocked and just like go flying across the room and just land and hit their head and like, ugh. What happened? Bro, oh wait, he's a good guy. You're a good guy. You're a good guy. Wee! Pouch. I think someone's in here. Yes, there is. This guy really thought that was a portal. Oh, wow. Yes, this hammer is overpowered. Like, this can go through walls. Like, I can, like, someone's across from this wall right here. I get them. I kill them. That's just how video games work. See, I have a slaughter and ultra kill. You can get so many kills with this weapon. I'm gonna go ahead and join red team here because, you know, red team is red team. And I'm gonna go ahead and just go like, someone's got a mech too bad. Someone's got a mech too bad. Someone's got a mech too bad. And I gotta destroy it because I destroy mechs really fast with the hammer. So we got some noobs on the enemy team. Think you're gonna survive 1 second out here? Think you're gonna survive 1 second? Think you're gonna survive 1 second out here? No! You're not gonna survive 1 second. That guy's like, ugh. They'll never be able to kill me. Wow, you just died. A lot of times. And I just got you again. I just got him. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Boosh! Boosh, bros. Broski. Broski and my bros. I don't know why I threw. Ah! You suck. Baloney. Yes! I never die. I never die. Yay! 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 Yes! 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 I will never die. Well, I just died a couple of times. My teammates are dying. That's why we're losing. I got this. You will suffer. Bow. Bow. Pawaski. Klasky. Golf. Alpha. Bravo. Charlie. Something. This guy wants to be a noob. Got him through the wall type of thing. You're dead. Hold up, guys. I gotta do this. I'm so sorry. This guy's being such noob, such wow. Bruh! That guy just likes shooting his hammer. Nothing. I don't know why they keep coming in here if they're not gonna die with my hammer. With the hammer of truth and death, you will never survive. Like, never. Because, you know, hammer, gun. I don't think it compares. So we're gonna go ahead and like, oh, sweet mother of Jesus! Woo! 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 Like, I look such a noob, like, I destroyed his mech, and he's just like, oh, sweet mother of God, I'm gonna run away. Oh, my God! This is Sparta! Alright, let's go ahead and look around for some blues. Let's do this. It's only 2 blues. Look at this, look at this. Whoosh! Pow! A pow! I don't know how he was able to do that. He's a magician. Oh my gosh, I cannot get a kill on him. Oh wait, did he already die? Oh yep, what's up, man? Sorry if I keep... You're dead. Why aren't you dead yet? Some guy went through the portal. Through this portal. I saw some... Okay. I don't know how I died, but alright. Pewsh! Pewsh! This weapon's like overpowered in so many ways. Would I recommend getting this weapon? If you're just gonna keep using it for every match in the world in Pixel Gun, then I would say don't, because then you just suck. But if you're gonna get it, so like this is what I do. I sometimes equip the Storm Hammer, except I don't use it until, I reach those designated spots where, so many people just come out freaking running, and I get, like, scared, and I'm like, ah!